Sometimes you will start out with variables on both sides. Don't worry, there's only one new step. First, you'll distribute if needed. If not, you'll go on and you will simplify, which we can also say combine like terms. Step 3, move all variable terms to the left side of the equal sign and move all numbers to the right side of the equal sign. Step 4, solve for x. Let's try a problem. So we have nothing to distribute, we can skip step 1. We have nothing to simplify, we can skip step 2. Let me make one note. When it says simplify, think of this equal sign as a divider. I like to think of it as a river. We are only simplifying on each side of the equal sign or the river. They cannot be combined. So we have a variable term and a constant, nothing to combine. We have a variable term and a constant, nothing to combine. Let's move to step 3. Move variable terms to the left. Okay, how do I do that? I have a positive 3y here. I want to subtract that so that it becomes 0. What I do to one side, I have to do to my other side. Make sure you're lining up your variable terms because we're essentially combining like terms at this point. So 3y minus 3y will cross out. 5y minus 3y will be 2y minus 8 equals 12. Now we are solving a two-step equation. We are going to add 8 to both sides because we want to move this number so that it's with its other number on the right-hand side. Not to mention, that's what step 3 is for. 12 plus 8 is 20. Keep our equal sign, 2y, because this cancels out. At this point, in order to isolate y and remove the coefficient, we have to divide by 2 on both sides. So the 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And that is our answer. In this case, as you noticed, we were solving for y. When it says solve, what it means is solve for the variable. Let's try one more problem. If we have 9m there's our problem. Let's remember our steps. First, we have to distribute. In this case, we have to distribute the 9 to both values inside of the parentheses. So you guessed it, we're going to have 9m minus 27. And then I usually rewrite after every step. So that was step 1. Step 2, simplify. Remember that you can only simplify on each side of the river. So we have 9m plus 3m, and that will get us 12m minus 27 equals 7m plus 43. At this point, we're going to move our variable term to the left. So we're going to do minus 7m. One we do on one side, we have to do on the other side. See how I lined up my variable terms? That's what you want to do. So 7m minus 7m cancels out. 12m minus 7m, 5m minus 27 equals 43. In order to move my negative 27 to the right. I first have to undo the operation, so I'm going to use addition. What I do on the left, I do on the right, so I'm going to add on the right. Negative 27 plus 27 becomes 0. That cancels out. And I'm left with 5m equals 70. When you divide by 5 on both sides, this becomes 1m, or you can write it as just m, equals 14. The most important thing you can do is follow the 4 steps included.